Did you know that earning a recognized business diploma online can cost as little as $1,300? Many people dream of obtaining a degree to advance their careers, but the high costs often seem prohibitive. However, with the right strategies and platforms, it is possible to earn a valuable qualification without spending tens of thousands of dollars. In this video, we will explore how to achieve your educational goals affordably while maintaining quality. First of all, instead of paying for an entire degree upfront, consider programs that allow you to pay per course or credit. This approach lets you focus on one subject at a time and spread out the financial burden. For example, imagine you want to study marketing. You could start with a single course in digital marketing fundamentals for just a few $100s. Once you complete it, you move on to the next module, such as social media strategy or SEO optimization. By breaking down the cost into smaller chunks, you avoid overwhelming expenses all at once. Next, if paying by credits isn't feasible, many online platforms offer flexible payment plans. These let you divide the total cost into monthly installments, making higher education more accessible. Let's say you find a program that costs $2,000. With a 12-month installment plan, you only need to pay around $167 per month, a much more manageable amount. This option is perfect for those who cannot afford large lump sums but still want to invest in their future. Third, there is an affordable and equally recognized alternative to degrees. Not everyone needs a traditional degree to succeed in their career. Alternative qualifications like level diplomas or postgraduate certificates are increasingly valued by employers and come at a fraction of the cost. For instance, a level 7 diploma in strategic management, which is equivalent to a master's degree according to EQF standards, costs approximately $1,300. This diploma is accredited by reputable organizations such as Qualify and Ofqual, ensuring its recognition in the job market. Many professionals have used these types of qualifications to secure promotions or new positions in fields like management consulting, corporate strategy, and operations leadership. Finally, it is important to choose high-demand fields for a good return on investment. When selecting a program, think about industries where there is strong demand for skilled workers. For example, data analytics, digital marketing, and project management are sectors experiencing rapid growth worldwide. Completing a certification in any of these areas can significantly increase your employability. Suppose you enroll in a data analysis course that teaches tools like Excel, SQL, and Python. After finishing the program, you could apply for roles as a junior analyst or business intelligence specialist, positions that often pay well and offer room for advancement. Always evaluate the return on investment of your chosen field to ensure it aligns with your career goals. Many students hesitate to pursue online courses due to costs. However, financial aid can make education affordable. Scholarships reward academic excellence or specific skills. For example, the University of Colorado offers scholarships up to $5,000 for top students. Show your achievements through strong records or a compelling letter to increase your chances. Grants provide need-based funds without repayment. In Luxembourg, Edify gives loans and grants to eligible students. In France, CPF lets workers finance training with accumulated credits. The Fonds de Solidarité also assists those with urgent financial needs. Bursaries help students facing financial difficulties. In the UK, Activate Learning offers bursaries covering fees and study costs. Demonstrate hardship and commitment when applying. Research if your chosen institution provides such opportunities. If other options aren't enough, consider student loans. Governments and private lenders offer loans for online learners. For instance, South Africa's NSFAS funds online degree programs. Explore local options to find what suits you best. To summarize, earning an affordable online diploma involves 3 key steps: paying as you go, exploring flexible payment options, and considering alternative qualifications like level diplomas or postgraduate certificates. Additionally, focusing on high-demand skills ensures that your education translates into tangible career benefits. Remember, combining theoretical knowledge with practical experience is crucial to standing out in today's competitive job market. Ready to take control of your education and career? Visit E-newcademy to discover accredited, cost-effective programs tailored to your needs. From level diplomas to specialized certifications, our partners provide high-quality learning experiences designed to help you succeed. Start building your future today.